Need an outside perspective on your first draft? Today, in this video, we're going to be going over some things that you might want to improve in your introduction, body paragraph, or conclusion as you want to revise and edit your first draft for submission. Before moving on to the inventory, let me just start by saying thank you for watching this video.
Show you care by clicking the like button, commenting, and subscribing for more content to help with your writing.
Let's get to the first part of this inventory by talking about the introduction paragraph.
Ask yourself, is your stance made clear? Does your thesis include the 3+ points that you'll be referencing in the body paragraphs? In terms of direction, is your subject introduced early? The body paragraphs. Check yourself for when you get wordy about things that aren't exactly necessary for your main point. Make sure that you have at least 3 strong paragraphs with clear subjects or points. Add transition phrases to help create a variety at the start of your sentences and to connect your ideas from one to the next. Check your quotes and other references. Are the citations correct? Or your sources relevant? Conclusion. Make sure that your final comments are based on evidence you made earlier. Make sure that they resolve the issue or topic. Final notes. These tips encompass what is called a global revision, which means that they can change the essay as a whole. Now that you are getting ready to turn in the assignment, check for these smaller errors.
Find anything that you feel that you want to work on? If there's anything you missed, make sure to go back, pause, and do anything that you need to help go over the essay that you want to work on. But with that in mind, my name is Mark Maslar. These are the 7 phases of great essay writing, and I hope you join us for the next video. Till then, happy writing, everyone.